This is City with AMT News. A woman has died and a man has been injured after actor Alec Baldwin fired a prop gun on a New Mexico film set for the 19th century Western Rust. Halyna Hutchins, 42, was shot while working on the set as the director of photography. She was flown to a hospital by helicopter but died of her injuries. 48-year-old director Joel Souza was taken from the scene at Bonanza Creek Ranch by ambulance. Police say that they are investigating and no charges had been filed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Check us out on all social media at Atlanta Music TV. Visit us at atlantamusictv.com.